Right.
Today, I'm gonna show you guys a website called Tripo. Now, Tripo is a website you use to create 3D models. So you pretty much give it a prompt and it helps you generate a 3D model. Now, the homepage is very straightforward. Once you try to log in, it may ask you for an invitation code. I'm gonna leave one in the description below, and I have a link to Tripo in the description below. So I'm just gonna show you guys one of the 3D models that I was able to create. So if I just click on my 3D workspace,
I have this one right here.
as you guys can see, it's a Santa Claus on a reindeer model. And you can see it right here. This is what it looks like. So this is one that we have. I'm just going to create a new 3D model so that you guys can see it. And also make sure you guys follow along. If you use the invitation code, you get more credits. So let's just start. So it says describe a 3D model. So you're able to give it anything you want. So for this one right here, I'm just going to say
Anime character.
let's see, riding a dragon. And once you click on this, you're going to be able to generate, but it's going to take out of your credits. So right now it's going to take 25 credits. That's totally fine. I'm just going to click on there.
And right now it's generating.
And now it's generated. So let's take a look at it in detail. So this is what it was able to get for us. Wow. So this is the model right here. Right now, the topology we're using is triangular. So we're able to see it from different angles, which is pretty cool. And this is it right here. And this is it right here with the solid view. So you guys can see it. It's pretty nice. Let's go back to the textured view. And this is what you're going to see when it's normal. So this is it without the colors and everything, without the texture. This is it in a cartoon style. So this is what it looks like in cartoon format. I mean, if you're a person who does animations and stuff, like this type of stuff is pretty cool. This is it as a sketch style. Pretty awesome. And this is it right here as in holograph style. So this is a holograph of it. So it can still rotate, can show you inside and out. It looks pretty nice. So let's just go back to
It being a mod and
it being the texture there. So let's look at that. So this is right here. So this is how it looks like. Now there's certain things you can do with this. Let's say you want this right here. One of the things you can do, you can actually order it to yourself. So maybe you don't just want to print this out, like you don't just want to export it. You want to actually order this for yourself. You can click right here where it shows you the gift icon. It says print and delivery. And so you can select what you want. If you want it as a fridge magnet, you can go ahead and select it. Right now they have a figurine that you can get for like, I believe $0. You can have it as a keychain, get it as a keycap. So let's say I select a model. You can either choose to purchase it in Shopify because they have a website, a Shopify website, or you can choose to purchase it in Taobao. Taobao is a Chinese website, like Chinese Shopify. So if I click on purchase in Shopify, be able to confirm, and they'll be able to send you the model itself, like the toy, and you can pick the size you want, and you get all this right here. Let's keep going. Okay, so right here, you can just go ahead and take in the model link itself. So you can take the model link itself, and you can paste it in here. So this is model link. So you can take it and just paste it in here. You can also hit the share button, and then once you hit the share button, you'll be able to copy it and then paste it in there. And once you paste it, then you place your order and everything, and then they'll ship it to you. So this is a cool thing you can do with Tripo. It's a pretty cool website for those of you that genuinely like 3D. As you guys can see, it's a pretty cool website, and you can always refine it. And if you're going to refine it, you have to send it to them, and it will take like 1 to 7 business days for them to get back to you. You pay like $10 for it. So they'll take it from just being, regular 3D like you guys have seen to making it look like an actual toy model, which is pretty cool for $10. And it's a beautiful website for anybody to come explore. So let's take a look at the pricing tiers. So I'm just going to click on upgrade. Let's go with monthly, because that's what a lot of people generally like. So you got $0, you get a bunch of credits. And I told you guys, if you utilize an invitation code, you'll be able to get more credits. So you get 1 trial generation with it, 1 concurrent task, and 1 day history record saved. You get 20 models stored, limited model downloads per month, limited queue priority, and limited export formats. And public models, the models will be public, so for anybody to see under a Creative Commons by 4.0 license. And then you got this one right here, which is the professional one. You got 3,000 credits monthly, up to 10 concurrent tasks, 7-day history, record save, 60 models, unlimited model downloads. Your models pretty much are private, so just for your use. So this is great for a lot of you that love to open up your own, print demand and stuff. You come here, you create your own 3D model, and you're able to utilize this to sell it. Very cool. You get up to 3 free retries per model. So this one right now, if I want to do a retry, I'll have to pay. Multi-view and batch generation, one-click generation of part models, export models with the skeleton. So you'll be able to see the skeletal structure, HD texture, smart low poly, and they'll soon add more exclusive features. So with the 39.99 per month, you get 8,000 credits. You get all that you get over here, but just more and more. So you get 10 free tries per model, which is pretty cool. So you can keep changing and changing and changing the exact same thing. And with the highest tier, which is the premium tier, you get 25,000 credits monthly. Permanent history record saved is gonna be private. Unlimited model downloads. You get unlimited free image generations, unlimited free retries per model, multi-view and batch generation, part segmentation and completion. So you pretty much get a whole full 3D model. So right now they're on sale, and you guys can see right here they have a 50% off first month pro, $10 off for other premium subscriptions. You can just have this code Tripo Save 10. I also have a link to it in the description below. Make sure you guys check it out. And yeah, check out Tripo AI, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys hit that like button.